In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock Bank of America card online. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Bank of America application. Then go to the top left and select over here where it says menu. Then you want to scroll down until you see Bank of America and you should see the option that does say manage debit card. So all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on that. Now, this will work whether you're trying to lock a credit card, a debit card, and it will also work whether you're trying to lock it for a physical card or a digital card. Now, me personally, I'm going to be going ahead and locking a digital card. So I'm going to go ahead and press on view digital card right over here, but the process will basically be the same thing. And over here, it is going to tell us our card number, our expiration date, but all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on manage right over here. And from here, you guys should see a list of all of your available cards. And so now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and slide to the left. And now we'll get the option to go ahead and lock our card. So we can go ahead and press on this in order to lock it. And just like that, it'll immediately go ahead and lock your debit card online. Again, this will work for any card on, Bank of America. It doesn't necessarily have to be a debit card. It could also be a credit card. But the point is, it is incredibly easy to go ahead and lock your card. And at any point in time, you guys can go ahead and just unlock it so you could use it again. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.